Hello everyone, this is Pradeep Ray, and today I'll take you through a session on Midjourney, how you can use this particular AI tool to initially generate a lot of images. So this is a very basic one, starting with, if you guys like, I can make more of them. So in Midjourney, this particular AI application, it generates images out of the text, meaningful text. Okay, so it doesn't require any grammar. So if you can sequence the words properly, it will give you an image. Okay, and so there are, first thing is you need to know what are the three things it has. So first part is called the command, then you have the prompt, and then you have parameters. So I'll go through all three. So first is image, first is the command. So it is called imagine. So imagine, so we can say, I'll start with a picture of a clown. Okay, so I'll say a clown, or I can say one clown. Okay, again, for Midjourney, if you give it like in plural, like cats or dogs, animals, right? Instead of that, if you give like 3 cats, 4 dogs, it will work better. But let's start with a happy clown. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to generate images out of the text which I have given here, and then we'll improve the image. Okay, so let it go through, and at a time it gives 4 images. So once it shows the images, I'll show the sequence and the variations, and as well as how to get the actual picture. So okay, now you are seeing it is actually has given 4 different clown images. So this is the way it is: first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, so you want this particular image, you can start with this. So suppose I need this. Okay, so I can start with this. So this is what will be upscaling my image, and it will give me the image. Okay, if I need a variation of that image, I say like, okay, give me another variation of this image. Okay, this is the way it will give me another 4 sets of pictures. But also I would like to kind of show you, look, this is the image already we got, right? So we can even download it, but see how it is created, right? So it is created with it is like a square. Okay, so that is called aspect ratio. We can change the aspect ratio. So this is the variation of the first image. Okay, so we got several variations. Now let's do this, like we'll use the same happy clown, but we need the aspect ratio not to be square. Okay, we don't need this square pictures, right? Whichever we got, it's like square, right? We need a different one. So let's do that. So let's talk about it. Slash, first we said it is a command, then the prompt. So let me just copy the prompt here. We just use the same prompt, happy clown, and I'm adding here. And now what I'll do is I'll say that, okay, give me the picture in a different aspect ratio, and I'll say it is 16 by 9. Sorry, it's not 6 by 9, 16 by 9. Okay, this is the aspect ratio I want. Like it will be little different, it will no more be square. Okay, so let's see how does it work. Okay, So now what I said is there are three portions, right? So one is the command, second one is the prompt, the set of sequence of text or set of text, right? Then we have parameter. So this air is the parameter. Let's see what it generates. Again, this video is for the very I mean, it's a very basic video. So now you see it is different, right? It is no more square. Okay, now what else we can do when we work with an image, right? We can so next what I'll do is I really need a lot of, so how this Midjourney works. So it kind of start with a single noise level. So look, this has much similarities. Okay, so every picture it creates, it will have a kind of similarity. Let's do this. Let's create a more variations between between each of the pictures. Okay, so I'll go with image in prompt is the one which we have given, and let's add another parameter is called shade, and I'll say 3000. Okay, so what it'll do is it'll start creating a lot of variations between each of these pictures. Okay, so this is the way when I create the pictures, mainly the images. First I work on the prompt so that I know what I am generating, and then next what I do is I start adding these parameters to improve the quality of the image or the variations of the image. Now here you see there are a lot of variations on this image, right? And it is still going on. I'll open this. So this is a pretty much good happy faces. Okay, a little bit scary, I know. I can make little bit changes to make it more I mean, it is more cute, but again this is not the part. So what we are going to do is, now you are seeing this, right? Now if we really want to improve the quality, right, so we'll improve the quality of this now. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go with the same, the command and the prompt. So last time what we did is we gave different variations. So say 3000, and then what we want to do is we need to improve the quality, right? So this is the one is Q2. Okay, we can go through several quality, Q1, Q 0.5, 1.5. I'll go to the highest one, which is Q2. Okay, I did a mistake here. Can you identify? So it is, you have to do a double dash. So let me do this /seed, sorry, double dash seed 3000 and double dash Q2. Okay, now it'll start working on a higher quality of this image, higher quality of these images. Okay, so let's see that. And next one we'll go for is a different versions of Midjourney will be forcing the application to use different versions. Okay, so let's see what it brings. Generally, if you have an account which is a paid account, you get the images within 1.5 minutes. Okay, now if you look into this, it'll be this quality is an improved version. It is looking same, but it is let me just check. Yeah, So let me just check the previous one. It should be a better quality one, and I'll show you in. Okay, yeah, so if I compare these two, it should be a better one, okay, from the quality perspective. And again, in later videos I'll show you how we can actually make it very realistic. Okay, so let's go for some more. So this is the last parameter for you to look at. You can practice. So seed 3000, and then we said is Q2, and what we'll do is we'll force the version 5, okay, for Midjourney to start working on this. So let's do this and let's see the output. Again, for Midjourney, in the next videos I'll tell you like how it generates a video, mainly how it identifies the lenses and all. Okay, so it more works like a camera. Okay, so in next videos I'll explain how you can make more and more better. Look, this is the one. Now you see, right? So you can see the variations. You can see how realistic this pictures are, right? But again, when you start, there are several times. I mean, mainly at the face side, it works really good. When we create something with limbs, right, hands and legs and all, it doesn't know more detail about that. So sometimes you will find a little distorted, but you can always go with a reference. You can keep it as reference to do that. But initially, I think this will help you to start with this tool. So I wish you all the best, and happy creating a lot of images. Thank you.